Bright Cutie. Every student matters.
Now let us look at the question and go into details of this. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with a picture of Santa Claus on it, right? Okay, she must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height as 80 cm, 40 cm and 20 cm respectively, how many square sheets of paper of side 40 cm would she require? So, what she has got with her are these square sheets of dimension 40 cm. So, if length is 40, the breadth is also 40 cm. So, these square sheets she has got with her. Now, she has to cover this box which has got dimensions 80, 40 and 20. So, there is this box, this cuboidal box she has to cover. Now, this dimension is given as 80, this is 40 and this height is 20 centimeter, right. So, every face she has to cover. So, we have to consider all the 6 faces. Now, what is the total surface area that she has to cover? Total surface area she needs to cover using the square shaped paper she has got is equal to, what is the surface area of this shape? Twice of LB plus BH plus HL, where L stands for length, B for breadth and H for height, which in this case are twice of 80 into 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 80 into 20, right. So, this much area she has to cover, okay. Now, this is 3200, 800, 1600, right. So, this is 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 16 is 5600. So, this is 5600. So, this is the area in centimeter square she has to cover, and she has got these sheets of 40 into 40 dimension. So, what is the surface area of one sheet? Surface area that can be covered by one sheet is 40 into 40, that is 1600 centimeter square. So, how many sheets will be required? To cover 1600 centimeter square, she will require one sheet, right. Now, applying the unitary method, we can say 1 centimeter square can be covered by 1 by 1600 of the sheet, and the total area, that is twice of 5600 centimeter square, can be covered in 2 into 5600 by 16 sheets, okay. So, these two zeros can be cancelled, this will give you 8, this will give you 7 here. So, 7 such square sheets are required to cover this box fully, okay. Now, Hamid has built a cuboidal water tank with lid for his house with each outer edge 1.5 meter long, right. Hamid has built a cubical water tank with lid for his house with each outer edge 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base covered with square tiles of 25 centimeter each, right. Now, these are square tiles. So, if one side is 25 centimeter, the other side will also be 25 centimeter. Find how much he would have to spend for the tiles if the cost of tiles is rupees 360 per dozen, okay. Now, first thing that we need to calculate is the area that needs to be covered with the tiles, area that needs to be covered with tiles, right? Area that needs to be covered consists of 5 faces, right? Every face will give you an area of A square. So, 5 faces will give you an area of 5A square. So, this is the area that we need to cover. Now, A in the question is 1.5 meter. So, the area to be covered is 5 into 1.5 into 1.5 meter square, right. Now, this area has to be covered by using these tiles of 25 centimeter side. So, area covered by one tile will be 25 into 25 centimeter square, right. So, how many tiles do we require? Total tiles required will be this area, that is 5 into 1.5 into 1.5 divided by this area. But now these two areas have got different dimensions. This is in meter square, this is in centimeter square. So, let us convert one of them into the another one. So, I am converting this meter square into centimeter square by multiplying it with 100 into 100, right, and it is divided by 25 into 25. Now, this will give you the number of tiles. So, this will give you 4, this will give you 4. 1.5 into 4 is 6, 1.5 into 4 is 6. So, 6 into 6 into 5, that is 36 into 5, which is 180. So, we would require 180 tiles to cover the required area. Now, what is the cost per dozen? It will cost us 360 rupees. So, for 12 tiles, it costs rupees 360. For one tile, it will cost 360 by 12. For 180 tiles, it will cost us, we will multiply this by 180. So, this is 30. 18 into 3 is 54, and these two zeros will make it 5400 rupees, right. So, for a dozen tiles, it costs us 360 rupees, and for 180 tiles, it will cost us 5400 rupees, and that is your answer, okay.